Hello again and welcome back to Katrine's Kitchen. Today we will be making pumpkin bread. You will need 1 cup puree pumpkin, 2 eggs, 1 3/4 cups of flour, 1 teaspoon baking soda, half cup brown sugar, 1 1/2 teaspoon ground cinnamon, quarter teaspoon ground clove, half teaspoon baking powder, quarter teaspoon ground ginger, half cup of granulated sugar, half teaspoon ground nutmeg, half teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon vanilla essence, half cup oil, quarter cup of milk. To begin, we are going to preheat our oven to 350 degrees. Grease and flour a 9-inch loaf pan. So in a medium bowl, we are going to combine flour, baking soda, baking powder, salt, cinnamon, nutmeg, ginger, and ground clove. And we are going to whisk this together until it is evenly combined. Just like this. So now in another bowl, we are going to beat together the oil, the granulated sugar, the brown sugar, and the eggs. You are going to whisk it until it's creamy and smooth. So granulated sugar, brown sugar, eggs, and the oil. Let's whisk this, okay? So now to this mixture, we are going to add the pumpkin puree, the milk, and the vanilla essence. And we're going to mix this until it's combined. Okay, so now that we have this mixture completely mixed in, we are now going to add the dry ingredients. I am not going to use the handheld mixer anymore because we need to fold in the dry ingredients into the wet ingredients. And we should not over mix, otherwise you're going to get a very tough pumpkin bread. So now we are adding our dry ingredients. We're going to fold it in, and you are going to fold it in just until you don't see any flour, because as I said, you don't want to over mix it. So just until you don't see any flour, you gently fold it in. So this is what your mixture is supposed to look like. So now you are going to put it in your 9-inch loaf pan, and you are going to bake it for 55 to 60 minutes until a pick inserted into the center comes out clean. Then you're going to leave it in the loaf pan when it's done. Leave it for approximately 10 minutes in the pan, and then you're going to transfer it to a wire rack to cool completely.